Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm having a soul food Sunday dinner. I have some baked chicken, some potato salad, baked mac and cheese. I have some string beans. Everything made by me, of course. Of course. Alright, so hold on, let me see. Should I do a thumbnail? Alright. Let's start off with a prayer, as usual, guys. And then we will dig in. Amen. And amen again. Matter of fact, let me get y'all the first bite of this mac and cheese. Look at me. Pulling it all. Okay. Drop it out. Look up. Doing that. String beans. So juicy. Some mash. Not much for some potato salad. Bite of this chicken. Falls right off the bone. I have potatoes cut up in my string beans. Or I don't like onions, like I told y'all, but onions give everything flavor, so I cut up some onions inside of the string beans as well and season them real good. But not in a potato salad. You know, a lot of people make their potato salad with onions cut up in it. Not me. Not me. All right, y'all, had a call. But I'm back. And I'm drinking some water. In my cute water bottle. Oh. Mind y'all, I don't have the lashes today. But what I will have them. I have an appointment tomorrow. I'll tell y'all what I did. Like, if something bothered me, itching, anything, my hair, anything, and I just take it right off. It was like, I still had some left. I started peeling it, like rubbing it and everything, then start pulling them off. My lashes and all. I already didn't have much, but I pulled them off though. If they was stopping me from getting my lashes off, my individuals off, I got them things off. You want more? I just came here to eat this good meal with y'all today. And of course y'all hear the bird in the background. Woo! Excuse me, those are big gulps. Really big gulps. Do I have mac and cheese with them string beans? Mix them all together. Now, mind you, I don't usually eat a lot of, make a lot of potato salad. I used to make deviled eggs. I said, let me switch it up for a little bit. When I made my deviled eggs on my potato salad. Mind you, I cut up eggs in it, but I switched it up this time. I usually only have like potato salad if I go with my mom's during the holidays and stuff to go eat it. And she will always add some potato salad. Look, the meat that fell off the bone. It was so tender. Good. And boy, was I hungry. Look at that moment, those trees are swaying. I used to have so many trees, like, and we got them cut down. It used to be scary, like if there was a storm or something going on. We had trees like right behind our windows, like right behind the house. And they were huge trees. I was like, oh God, don't let none of these trees fall on our house. So the trees are a ways from my house now. There's a lot of trees cut down. And one guy came here and did all that work by himself. Older guy too, I was shocked. I thought he would at least have support, somebody helping him. Nope. That's the side hustle. Don't want nobody else involved. Just him. I was so hungry when I first started eating. Now I'm getting full. So good, but so filling. Mm-mm. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Told y'all wasn't gonna be much talking. I just came to eat with y'all. And that I am doing. Now, usually when I use a regular dish, I usually get a regular, real spoon and fork. But I just grabbed the fork and just called it down. Mm-hmm. Mm. Excuse me. That was sitting in there. Waiting to come out. It's the whole plate. I can never seem to leave my lip chap on. My friends crack up when I say lip chap instead of lip gloss. Basically, it's for chapped lips to keep them glossing. This is just water in it, y'all. And it got me burping. Like up there. Usually don't burp to stuff like this. And look at this plate. Sis demolished that thing. Yes, moi. I did it. Demolished it. It's over. So, guys, like I said before, it was going to be a short video. So I'm about to actually end this. Oh, I'm going to be burping all. Like they stuck. Like they want to just keep coming up. Oh, excuse me. I'm about to actually end this video, guys, with the don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely turn on those post notifications so you'll know when I upload my next video. Don't forget to hit that post notification button, guys. Until next time, see ya.